Alright, not doing Frary Peak today, but Dooley's Knob Spur. Got Indy with me. And we're off. It's been a while since I've been to Antelope Island, and I've been meaning to get back. We're getting snow this week, so figured now would be a good time. There's some snow up there, but it's not very much. I'm already out of breath. A lot of hunters on the waters today. Just being nice and patient for me as I go up slowly. Good girl. She usually likes going fast, but I think she can tell I'm struggling right now. All right, a little higher. Good girl. All right, let's go check that viewpoint. Now that's a cool view. I like that. Walking with this thing, just one. Usually I hate using just one, but it's been kind of nice today. What a beautiful view. That's cool. It's kind of sharp edges. Wander up here to take a picture. Come here. No, not very fun to walk on, is it? Oh, as I trip on it myself. Sit, stay. Good girl. Hi. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, new view. Snow's pretty. How you doing, Indy? You doing good? Alrighty, almost there. 0.7 miles left. Alright, one last climb up the Dooley's Knob. It's the other side of the lake. Alright, first bison encounter. I think most of them are in the corrals still, but I did see a few coming in. Maybe we'll go around wide. What do you think of those? Are you scared? What do you think of those? You finally noticed me now as I walked by. Alright, let's go. It's kind of a cool look. Alright, final stretches of the knob. Dooley. Made it. Alright. Here, I'll get over this and take a video. Now that's sweet. Saw the bison down there. Good job, Indy. You did it. Good girl. Alright, we've been resting here for about 5 minutes. I think it's time to get going. Head back down to the car. That was a fun hike. I really want to do Frary Peak. If I didn't have the dog, I'd almost be half tempted to try. But you did really good, huh? She actually drank water this time. She doesn't always do that. So, definitely a little strenuous for her. Huh. I guess the most incline we've ever done at once. Really wasn't too bad, though. Alright, let's go get past the bison again. You weren't sure what to think of them. Cool to sit here and watch them, though. Little specks. Next time I'll have to bring my binoculars and try to find some of the other critters. I have no idea where you're supposed to find the porcupines. I guess trees? I don't know. I really don't know where they hang out normally. Have to do some research on that. It's so cool. It's got like that red stain. It's interesting. Guess it all does. Looks cool. Alright, thought I'd give them one last look. Cool to see a couple up close. Wasn't sure if I'd see any today. Love seeing bison. Alright, this is another little knob off to the side as you head up. Oh, I love Antelope Island. Oh. It's kind of cool that this year State Park Pass is going to be Antelope Island on the pass. Really cool. I didn't buy mine until July when they switched it it'll last for a year from when you buy it. There's still some confusion going into it because they didn't prep their passes for it, but they're doing stickers. So I believe I just get a sticker and stamp it on there because the number they marked on there was fading. But you now have to register your pass online. And then what the front gate told me is that they'll start scanning the season passes or annual passes. So that's gonna be a little confusing for a minute. I'm sure that's always fun for them. But so I'll have to wait till the end of the year to get one of those passes, but I kind of want one. They're pretty freaking cool passes. But I'm done. I'm out of here. I don't think I need to record anything on the way down, so thanks for tuning in. Enjoying the nice Dooley's Knob walk. See you guys next time.